Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to recover previous version of Excel file. Thus, if you also want to do so, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to recover previous version of Excel file using 3 quick ways. Method 1. Recover previous version using AutoSave. If there is no previous version to restore, you can try the AutoSave feature in Microsoft Excel, which will save the Excel file automatically at regular intervals. But you need to ensure that the AutoSave feature is enabled. To do so, open Microsoft Excel. Click the File option from the top left corner, then click Info. Find the Versions or Manage Workbook option. All the recently auto-saved Excel files will be listed here. Select an Excel file that was saved before the overwrite. And check if it contains the information you need. Press Ctrl+S to save the file if you find the right one. Method 2. Recover overwritten Excel files with Excel built-in tool. If Auto Recover is enabled in Excel, you don't have to do anything to make it work. Any available unsaved versions can be found in the Recover Unsaved workbooks. For this, start by opening your Excel and selecting File. Decide to manage workbook after choosing the Info tab located on the left end. Select the option Recover Unsaved Workbooks. Next, choose the file in question and click to open it. Finally, recover the overwritten file by selecting Save As and completing the process. Method 3. Use Excel Recovery Tool to recover previous version of Excel file. If you are looking for a quick way to recover previous version of Excel file, then you can download the Excel Recovery Tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of corruptions in the Excel file and recover all the components from it. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about recovering previous version of Excel file. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.